Hello dear students, today we will discuss one of the reaction between zinc and hydrochloric acid. So here I am having hydrochloric acid and zinc metal. Okay. So for this experiment we need test tube, hydrochloric acid and zinc metal, test tube holder, all these things we require. So first of all we need to take a test tube, fill it with small amount of acid, okay. Now put test tube holder carefully. Because in this reaction hydrogen gas will be evolved, so we need to confirm it after the reaction. So for this confirmation I want one candle also. We know that hydrogen will burn with a pop sound. So let's see. So let's start the reaction. This is hydrochloric acid and I am adding zinc metal into it. So you can see that this is the pop sound and exothermic reaction is going on. Very strong effervescence you can see here. So exothermic reaction plus displacement reaction, and in the result the product formed is zinc chloride because I have used hydrochloric acid. So salt here is zinc chloride and hydrogen gas is evolved, which I have confirmed with the pop sound. Thank you so much.